Here's the water
Alright,
bottle.
this is the apple cider vinegar, baking soda, in a bag.
With a water bottle around it.
Put it in the bag, and watch what happens.
Hope for the best. Alright, now let's hope this doesn't work out like the last one. I kicked Joe's head and it exploded.
Kicked out my leg.
Yeah, well, head, leg, what's the difference? Now you just gotta shake it up and then this is what happens.
Watch, it explodes in his hand.
I know. I'm gonna watch it. This is gonna be mad funny.
That was sick!
Look at the water.
Oh, it didn't explode. The cap just shot off.
Hey, Joe, we can redo it with a Mento. I think that's in a tree. Dude, that was mad funny. I don't know.
That exploded.
We know, dude. Dude, we're not searching the neighborhood for the cat.
Where did it go?
Alright, well, this is the end of the video.